What's the meaning of cassowary? Cassowary. Cassowary.
Cassowary. Cassowary. The cassowary is a large, flightless bird with a distinctive, brightly colored head and neck. Native to the tropical forests of Australia and New Guinea, the cassowary is an important part of the region's ecology and has cultural significance for some indigenous communities. The bird is known for its aggressive behavior and powerful kicks, which can be dangerous to humans and other animals. Despite being protected by law, the cassowary population has declined due to habitat loss and hunting. Conservation efforts are underway to protect this unique and valuable species.